Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to test out some chrome powder designs for wedding nails. So I have some nails that are pre-swatched with a couple different colors. I want to try some chrome on them, some white pearl. Then I also have this rose gold that I might try on a couple of them. I'm looking to test out some bridal inspired nails. So I wanted to do some swatches first. So this first one is Opi Baby Take a Vow. It's a very sheer pink color. This next one I have is Madame Glam's Pivot. One of my hands down favorite nude colors. It's on my nails right now. Then we have Light Elegance Marshmallow, which is a sheer milky white. I didn't really want to do like a sharp white, so I went with the milky. This next one we have is Nail Reserve Sea Swingin' Sun, which is slightly transparent, but it's almost opaque, and it's like a nudie background as well. This next one is Madame Glam's Love Energy, just to try a little bit more of an opaque white. And then this last one is Madame Glam's Proud Nude, which is more of a peachy nude, just to try something different. So I have 2 coats of all of the colors done, and then I have the non-wipe top coat already on them. So here is my white pearl. And then I have this brush. You can see there's chrome in it. This is the brush I use for comb. Most of the time I use my fingers, but I do have this one that has chrome on it. So I ended up not using the rose gold chrome. I couldn't figure out how to use it. I've never used, that one's like a pressed powder versus the white chrome I'm using is a loose powder. And so I've never used that other one before, and I couldn't get it to work the same. So I just kept it all the white chrome to see which one I like the best. So here's what those all look like with the white chrome on top. I definitely think these 3 look the best. This one maybe, but I don't like the last 2. So I do want to do a little bridal nail tutorial trying one of these colors. So let me go choose what color I want to do, and then I'll come back. So I have my press-on nails prepped on the stand here. I'm going to go in with that Baby Take a Vow is the color I decided to go with. So I'm going to paint the 3 middle nails in this color. I'm actually going to do 3 coats of it because it is very sheer, and I do want to build it up just a little bit. And then on the 2 outer nails, I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Blessing. This was from their Pot of Gold collection in March. It is a white with a slight shimmer to it, so I'm going to pair that with this design. And I will be turning this into a little mini series of trying different wedding nails. I am getting married this year, so I want to test out some different wedding nail designs to try to figure out what I want to do for my wedding nails. If you guys have any suggestions or inspirations, send it over to me on my Instagram. It'll be linked in the description box down below. So once I have the 3 coats of the pink and the 2 coats of the white done, I'm going to go ahead and use my non-wipe top coat from Jelly Nails. I'm going to do this on all 5 of the nails. And then I'm going to go in with my white chrome. This is a white pearl effect powder from Creation. I've had this for a while. I'm sure you could find something similar, or I'm not sure if this exact one is available. But I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm just going to use my finger this time. I always say I'm going to use the brush, and then I always resort to using my finger. I just feel like it applies the chrome so much nicer than the brush. It really rubs it really good into the nail. So I'm going to do the chrome powder on all 3 of the pink nails. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the non-wipe top coat over top of that again. Then I'm going to take my palette here. I'm going to put down Blessing, which is that white with the slight shimmer to it. And we're going to create some flowers, just some like flower petals. I'll pop up my inspiration picture here. It's got the pink with the white chrome, and then it's got flowers on it. So I was trying to recreate this in some of the colors that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and take a flat brush from Madam Glam, and I'm going to paint on some flower petals. Next, I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Mysterious. This is a really pretty olive green shade, and I'm just going to kind of add just a little hint to try to make it look like some leaves, some greenery for the flower petals. And then I do go back in and do a second coat of some white just to kind of build that white up on the petals just a little bit. Once all the flowers are done, I go ahead and do a final top coat over those nails as well. So here's how the nails came out. I think they are really pretty. I feel like I could have done the flower petals a little bit better. They're a little messy. I was trying to go for kind of a hand-painted brushstroke look, but I was not using the correct brush to do that. So definitely your brushes matter, which brush you're going to use for different looks. So if I were to do this again, I would use maybe more of like a brush that has more frayed edges to kind of give it that brushstroke effect to create the petals a little bit softer that way. But overall, I think this design is really cute. It's not my vibe necessarily, but I do like the pink with the chrome over it. So I'm gonna rate this one at like maybe a 6 or 7. I don't love it, but it is still pretty. So you guys will have to let me know what you think of this design for wedding bridal nails. And again, if you have any inspiration or ideas you want me to try, definitely let me know. Send me over your pictures on my Instagram. Make sure this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.